Cook for. You spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents crispy honey chili potato. Add some salt in a water. 3 medium potatoes. French fries rinse with cold water. Boil for 5 minutes. One tablespoon rice flour. 1 tablespoon plain flour, ½ teaspoon black pepper powder. Combine well. In another bowl, take ½ cup plain flour, 1/3 cup rice flour, 1/4 cup corn flour, salt to taste. Add water and make a thick batter. Add water gradually and whisk. One tablespoon oil. Combine well. Add coated potatoes to the batter. Combine well. Deep fry the potatoes. Deep fry for 5 minutes. Remove it. Again, flash fry the fried potatoes. Flash fry will make it more crispy. Remove it. Preparing sauces. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce. 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. 1 teaspoon Szechuan chutney. 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. 1 tablespoon honey. ½ teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon vinegar. Combine well. Add 2 tablespoons oil in a wok. Three to 4 chopped garlic cloves. ½ chopped ginger. 3 to 4 green chilies slit cut. One teaspoon cumin seeds. Sauté well. One teaspoon sesame seeds. 1 large onion sliced. 1/2 cup mixed capsicum, 3 chopped spring onions, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon sugar. Sauté well on high flame. Add all sauces mixture. You can also add fried dumplings in it instead of potatoes. They will taste delicious too. Add 3/4 cup water. Add corn flour concoction, 1 tablespoon corn flour or 2 tablespoons water in it. Add fried potatoes. Combine well. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. Dish out. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Garnish with green onions. Our delicious crispy honey chili potato is ready to enjoy. Serve with fried rice or have it as it is. Do try, enjoy and share your feedback with us. See you in the next Happy Cooking. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.